Hey everyone! Today I've got a recipe that's healthy, diet-friendly, and seriously delicious. This one's called Enoki Tofu Bowl, made popular by Red Velvet's Seulgi. Let's get into it. Cut one block of tofu into bite-sized pieces and pat them dry. Pan fry both sides until golden, then set them aside. For the sauce, mix 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Try sugar with xylitol instead of refined sugar. It's better for your blood sugar and digestion. Trim the bottom of the enoki mushrooms and sauté them in the leftover oil for about 2 minutes. Pour the sauce over and let it simmer with the mushrooms. Pour it all over the tofu, and top with a drizzle of sesame oil and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Seulgi eats this to stay healthy, and I get it. It's packed with nutrients and tastes amazing. The chewy mushrooms with that savory soy sauce and nutty tofu. Such a perfect combo. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and enjoy a simple K meal today.